Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Friday, March 20th. Spring is upon us, thank God, and now we're getting more snow today on the East Coast. So hopefully this will finally be the last one. Anyway, getting back to the markets, we kind of said yesterday that we're looking for some sort of an inside day, sort of a pause day, or after the big one we had up here from that Fed-induced rally on Wednesday, and sure enough, that's exactly what we had. Now we're covering the indices here, so we had exactly just that. And then when I wake up this morning, early in the morning, we're up 11 handles in the ES, now starting to move higher yet again. So, and this is what always bothers me, is that when we have a big move like this in the pre-market, more than likely you're going to have one or two moves, if you're lucky, for the rest of the day, and that's terrible, because I hate when I see a move this big at 10, 11 handles early on in the morning. I mean, we started up somewhere around 3 o'clock in the morning, and 3:30 popped up and it went sideways, and then we had one more pop up, and now we're just starting to move now around 7:30 Eastern time here in the States. So we'll like to see. We'll see if we can get a little bit of a pullback, and we can buy that market today, because obviously that's exactly what we're going to be looking to do. Is going to be looking for pullbacks into support for this trading day for Friday. All right, here, let's take a look at the daily charts. We're going to run right through them. Nothing really changed on Thursday. You can see pretty much inside day for the transports. But again, holding the gains is really what I want to show you guys here. Holding those gains are exactly what we want if you are a bull in this market. So holding that Thursday gain is fine. Spiders, again, really didn't do too much. Kind of an inside day here. Not bad. Again, holding most of this candle, which is good. And this is something that I like to see here. Look at the MACD. MACD starting to roll over, roll up back to the upside to get that cross. That would give us a buy signal on a daily chart. Stochastics making higher highs and higher lows, breaking back above that 50 percentile right here. Again, plenty of room to run to the upside. So if we pause, and then that's exactly what happens as we pause and we break, we should get a buy signal on the MACD today if we were to hold these gains this morning. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, and then I'm going to put out a big newsletter Sunday going into Monday morning's trading. Now we had diamonds, as you can see, again, an inside day. Pretty much held above the 20, which is nice. Took back maybe 38% of this candle, but still not a bad day here for the diamonds, holding most of those gains. And then we have the IWM was the strongest out of the 5 that we follow, and you can see it took out the close. So we had an outside day in the IWMs, and this is actually a very positive note here, guys. When you do this, when something like this happens, and this is one of our leaders, and transports hold up well, there's nothing more to say other than the fact that you want to be looking to buy pullbacks. That's for sure. Okay. Qs, lastly, is the Qs, and again, Qs had an outside day because it took out the close, but again, put a little doji indecision candle. No big deal, because it needs to take out yesterday's low in order for this to trigger. And it doesn't look like it's going to, because we are nicely up in the pre-market. Okay, so quick video today, but I just wanted to express keep an eye out on the oil stocks, guys. Oil stocks and oil, we're kind of bouncing around at the 44 level here for the May contract of crude. I'd like to see a big swoosh into the maybe 41, 40, even 38, and start nibbling in the low 40s for the contract for crude, or you can do USO, and then you could start looking for some of these oil stocks that I mentioned, the Sucor Energy, SU, EOG. USO would be the tracking stock. ConocoPhillips, great play. You have Canada and U.S. exposure. So those are the ones that I'll be looking at to start building some positions. Okay. Hope it helps. Have a great day. Enjoy the weekend, and we will see you on Monday.